So you have debt and you're paying interest on it. But interest payments can be steep. They constantly add to your debt and make it difficult to pay off what you owe. That's where a balance transfer can help. A balance transfer lets you move existing debt to a credit card, usually one with a low interest rate. This could help you save money and pay off your debt faster. Here's an example of a balance transfer. Say you have $5,000 of credit card debt with a 25% APR. You plan on putting aside $250 each month to pay off that debt. You might think that monthly payment goes directly toward your debt, but a lot of it actually goes toward interest payments. In fact, over the life of your debt, you'll end up paying $1,500 in interest alone. That's a lot. Not only that, but it'll take you 27 months to pay off your debt completely. Now, what if you used a balance transfer for your debt? You can move your $5,000 balance to a credit card offering a 20-month 0% APR. That's a mouthful, but it's very simple. It means your eligible balance would accrue no interest for 20 months. Before moving your debt, check the balance transfer fee you'll pay. With most providers, this fee is 3% of the amount transferred. So for example, you'll pay a $150 fee for a $5,000 balance. After you transfer your balance, you can pay it off slowly with your $250 monthly payment. And in time, you'll see the financial benefits of your transfer. Instead of paying $1,500 in interest over the life of your debt, you'll pay just a $150 balance transfer fee. And instead of paying off your debt in 27 months, you'll do so in just over 20 months. In the end, you've paid off your debt faster and cheaper. Now here are a few tips to get the most out of a balance transfer. First, check your credit score before applying for a balance transfer card. A good credit score increases your chances of getting approved as it reassures your lender that you're a responsible borrower. Second, keep making on-time payments toward your debt after you've made a balance transfer. This will help you avoid late fees and hits to your credit score. Third, make a plan to pay off your debt completely before your intro APR expires. Otherwise, your remaining balance will accrue interest at the normal rate. Ultimately, balance transfers can be great financial tools if used wisely. They can help you save money and get your finances in order. To learn more, visit Finder.com today. We'll help you become a pro on balance transfers in no time.